Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. You're watching techtalwar YouTube channel and my name is Sarathi. Today in this video we're gonna look about MNC job update which is from Amazon. The job description is that the post is transaction risk investigator, which is some sort of like CBI in the Amazon. Any graduate can apply, so please do watch the video till the end, and end of the video I will give you a small tip so that you can crack this video very easily. So without any further ado, let's get started. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, then please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. As moving forward with the video, please do like the video and share this video with your friends so that it might help them, because the eligibility criteria is any graduate can apply. There are three main things in the eligibility criteria. One is any graduate can apply, the secondly is freshers can also apply, and thirdly comes communication skills. You need to have a good communication skills in English. These 3 points are the eligibility criteria, and so as everyone is eligible, so please do share this video so that everyone can apply in this position, because the salary package is also high. I will mention the salary package in the video, so please do watch the video till the end and watch the tip too. Let's discuss about the roles and the duties that this position requires. One, you need to investigate and monitor this Amazon on the global market and find some suspicious acts that might pose Amazon and their customers into risk. Then you need to gather the information of transactions that are made through Amazon using the internet and a few tools that they provide. Next, thirdly, you need to take appropriate actions regarding the risk, and you need to minimize those risks for Amazon. And last thing is you need to make phone calls or mails to the customers, inform about the risk to the customers. There might be external customers or internal customers. Coming to the salary package, there is a good salary package at about 2.75 lakhs to 4 lakhs per annum. That is approximately about 25,000 to 30,000 per month. A good salary package. And job locations are to you need to relocate to Hyderabad or Bangalore. The positions are at Bangalore and Hyderabad. Let's discuss about how to apply for the position. At first, you need to download an app from the Google Store. I will give you the link in the description. App is that Able Jobs. You need to download the app and install it. Then go to the jobs section. Search for Amazon in the search engine. Then you can find a few jobs regarding the Amazon. You need to find a job that is a transaction risk investigator from those jobs, and you need to click on it. Then you can find the two options, prepare and apply. So click on the apply button, then it will be redirected to the application form. I will show it here, so as I'm showing here, and you can apply it from there. Why Able Jobs? Why can't I provide the link in the description? Because in most of the cases these links are getting expired. So I'm giving, this is better option to get it from the Able Jobs application and apply from there. So that is the best option I can give to you. And the tip to crack this video is that Able Jobs also provide preparation for particular jobs. Not only preparation, in Able Jobs you can find multiple jobs. You need to fill the you need to provide them what you have studied and etc. You need to register for the Able Jobs. Then they'll suggest you few jobs so that you can apply for them, and you can also prepare for the job. Able Jobs provides courses for every particular course that which they might ask in the interview or in the test. They will prepare you at the beginning, and then you can apply for the job. That is the best option. So I would mostly recommend you to prepare at the beginning, even though for this position of transaction risk investigator, before clicking on apply, I would recommend you to click on prepare button, so that they will prepare you at the beginning what they might ask, what the interviewer might ask, so you'll get prepared for that position, and then click on the apply button so that you can crack the job very easily among the others. So this is the tip for this job. Coming to the fee, there is no fee for the application or even for the course also, there is no need to pay any fee. The course is for free, the job is for free, and they are paying it about 25 to 30,000 per month. That is a good package. So I would mostly recommend everyone. So eligibility criteria is also for any graduate, so I would recommend everyone to join and apply for this position so that you can get a job. I hope you like the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel till now, please go and subscribe and bang that bell icon for once. So that's all for now. Jai Hind.